Hannah Cho Beauty is an Asian-owned business for lashes. Some of you guys that struggle with Asian mono eyelids probably know the struggles of finding lashes that fit your eyes. And someone like me who have mono eyelids on this side, but I have double eyelids on this side, is honestly a struggle trying to figure out what lashes fits for me. Hannah Cho Beauty is basically designed with lashes for Asian eyes. You can choose from so many different types of lashes. And I don't know if you guys can, but I have the Hannah Cho lashes on right now. Something about lashes that I struggle with is definitely the application process. And what I love about Hannah Cho's lash company is that it comes with a really good kit. The application when I was putting these lashes on went by so smooth. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's a lot of yellow in the packaging and the website and the company itself. And the reason why their main color is yellow is because the color yellow has been a negative term towards Asians, and Hannah Cho wanted to embrace the color yellow. So instead of viewing yellow as a negative term, she wanted yellow to be a color that Asians and people around us can celebrate. So if you guys want to check out what type of lashes Hannah Cho has, I'll definitely put the link of the website in the description, so make sure you guys go check it out. Again, thank you Hannah Cho for sponsoring this portion of today's video.